Hi, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Talaat and I'm a professor of pathology and a consultant anatomic pathologist at the College of Medicine, University of Sharjah, U.A.E. I'm a member of the organizing and scientific committees of the Emirates Surgical Pathology Conference. It is with great pleasure that we extend a warm invitation to the Emirates Surgical Pathology Conference, taking place from 15th to 17th December 2023 in Dubai, U.A.E. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of innovation and the latest advances in our field. Our theme for this year is Pushing Boundaries Through Innovation, and we are excited to bring you groundbreaking insights and cutting-edge techniques that will shape the future of surgical pathology. We have a stellar lineup of experts who will share their knowledge and expertise, enabling you to stay at the forefront of innovation. We are also excited about our strong poster program, which provides an exceptional platform for you to share your own research and insights. We encourage you to submit your abstracts right away for consideration and acceptance. This is your opportunity to be part of the vibrant scientific dialogue that shapes the future of the pathology field. The best abstracts will have the opportunity for oral presentations, allowing you to showcase your work in front of an esteemed audience. Moreover, there will be awards for the outstanding contributions. When you are not immersed in the conference, you can explore the wonders of the Emirates, its rich culture, breathtaking architecture, and tantalizing cuisine. So mark your calendars, visit our website, and secure your spot at the Emirates Surgical Pathology Conference. Discover the future of the pathology field and make connections that last a lifetime. See you in December 2023.